to Thermo Fisher. I know we've got a number of existing customers here, but obviously we've got some people who are not existing customers of Thermo, or specifically Thermo Informatics. So just to give a little bit of background about Thermo Fisher. As you may or may not be aware, we're a very large organisation, rapidly growing. You may have seen last year that we finalised the acquisition of Life Technologies. As a result, we're now a $17 billion revenue company, dollars on an annual basis. And to maintain that premier position in the market, but for us to strive to be the primary provider across the laboratory space, we're looking to develop, enhance, introduce new technologies and products to the portfolio on a monthly and annual basis. So you may have seen some of the marketing around our brand. So the key thing is that we're absolutely focused on the laboratory business, and our goal is to align with our customers to ensure that the world is a healthier, cleaner, and safer place.
We are all connected to the world around us, where emissions from a factory can impact our planet, and chemical contamination on one continent can threaten a family on another. An interconnected world where an organ donor match can save a patient's life halfway around the world. We're Thermo Fisher Scientific, over 50,000 people with a scientific perspective that grows beyond borders, connecting all of science to enable our customers to make the world healthier, cleaner, and safer. Once the air was clear and water ran clean, and disease was localized. Today, science touches every aspect of our lives, and we touch all of science. This is our business. It's our responsibility to unite the tools and instruments, the processes and the software, the distribution systems and resources for science in ways no one else can. Who else can make a breakthrough possible? From supporting research and discovery through clinical trials to global production of a new vaccine. Equip scientists to develop new drugs and provide the diagnostics to monitor them. Ensure water quality around the world. Our connections bring advanced portable instruments to the field and analytical technologies to industry, science, and healthcare. We are as innovative detecting consumer product dangers as we are identifying biomarkers of genetic disease. We help customers analyze everything from food quality to the DNA evidence that could free an innocent man. What we pack, ship, discover, and innovate is about our future. The questions are deep. We need answers now, but the resources are here, and the connections are powerful. Thermo Fisher Scientific, the world leader in serving science.
So I think from an informatics standpoint, we're a much smaller part of the overall organisation, but I think equally as important as any other part of the business. And today we've implemented systems in over 1,800 instances of customer sites today. And here's just a handful of some of the customers that we see in the biopharmaceutical space and food and beverage space. Many others that are clearly not mentioned here. But I think that the key thing is, whilst we're a large organisation, the thing to remember is that we have local presence. We work with our partners, Orbis in Ireland. We have a very much a hands-on approach in terms of how we interact with our customers, and so there's a few people that are dotted around the room today that represent our intellectual property, our product managers. So DJ, may want to just put your hand up. So DJ looks after our suite of integration products. Katie sat at the back. She looks after our sample manager LIMS. So these are the people that you will get to meet today. We've got some good breaks in place. So if you want to talk to these people, they're kind of leading the conversations with customers, obviously doing